Hello guys, I welcome everybody on board. This is Otafrije Super TV. Welcome you to this channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can link your YouTube channel to your TikTok profile to get traffic from social media, that is TikTok. So without wasting much time, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you never miss a wonderful tutorial helpful video like this. So if you are new to this channel, as I've already said, subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can link your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. So you open your TikTok app. I want to highlight it. Okay, you open your TikTok app. If you are new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a wonderful tutorial like this. On this channel I'm making a lot of tutorial videos, so subscribe so that you get updates of every video. So as I've opened my TikTok profile. Okay, I've updated, that is why you are seeing all this. So you tap on save. Okay, this is the TikTok. Sorry, the TikTok. Okay, the app is disturbing, so I will close it and reopen it. It is not functional, so I'll reopen it again. Okay, it has opened. This is my profile, so you click on edit profile. So I want to highlight it, so you click on edit profile. That is where you can see your YouTube channel so that you will link. So if you come to the down here, we have social, we are having Instagram and YouTube. So we want to add our YouTube channel to this. So we click on YouTube. We click on add YouTube. Okay, it is directing us to our YouTube channel so that you can link it there. So this is my email accounts. So you select the one you use to register for your YouTube channel. So me, I use the first one, so I'll click on it. Okay, you tap on it. Okay, you click on allow. I want to highlight it, so click on allow. Okay, it is directing us to our YouTube channel. Okay, you can see here it has linked Otafrije Super TV. Okay, let me highlight it. Otafrije Super TV, it has linked. Okay, let's close the app and reopen and see whether it's work. Okay, let me tap on my profile. Yeah, you can see the YouTube icon there, so it means it has successfully linked. Okay, let me highlight it so that you see it clear. So this is the YouTube channel. It has successfully linked. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So I've clicked on the link to see whether it works, whether it will direct us to the YouTube channel. Okay, let's see. It brought us to YouTube. Okay, you can see it is working. Otafrija Super TV. I'm having 226 subscribers and 73 videos. So please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss wonderful video like this. So I'm making tutorial videos here on this channel. So these are the videos I've made so far. So if anything, comment down below so that I'll find solution to your problems. So if you're new to this channel, to subscribe so that you never miss a wonderful video like this. Thank you.